Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I don't know if you guys remember us doing this, but I guess around December of last year we set some quarterly goals, and so I'm kind of afraid to even look in this planner. This is my happy planner, so you guys know I haven't really used my budget planner since like April, so I'm a little bit afraid to look in here. But I am a creature of completion, and so therefore we're just going to check out our goals and see if we actually accomplish any of them, because I just want to be accountable to not just myself, well, to not just to you guys, but to myself as well. So this is the Spend Well Happy Planner. This came out in 2017. You will probably not be able to get your hands on this, but I think they're coming out with like a newer version for 2018. So check your local craft stores, Hobby Lobby. 2019 I meant. Well, it's going to come out in 2018 for 2019. So check Michael's, Hobby Lobby, Joann, all of that. So I guess we're just gonna find where we had the goals. So it looks like we had them back at the beginning of the planner. So let's just actually zoom in so I can show you guys what goals we actually have accomplished. Okay, so I set these goals basically for me, not just me and my husband, but more so for me, because we have different goals, and by that I mean I'm kind of working towards things, he's working towards things, but you know, in the end it's for the both of us, but it's still, you know, he can't do what I'm doing to increase income, for example, or vice versa. So anyway, I said that between January and March I would increase household income by $500. Did that. We did not pay off $15,000 of student loan debt. We did create a monthly budget every month. We did pay our Mexico cruise in full in cash, and we cash flowed that whole trip. And then that's when I was like trying to be good with tracking expenses, because even now there are some that I kind of forget, but I think I've been doing much better with that. So anyway, that was one of the goals as well, and we did complete that the first quarter, or I completed it. Second quarter, I wanted to increase household income by $600, did that. Pay off $8,000 of student loan debt, did not do that. Create monthly budget, did that. Track expenses, did that. Stay below Mexico cruise budget. I can't remember. I mean, obviously we didn't do it because I put an X beside it, but I can't remember how far over we were. I think a decent amount because I was gambling, but anyway. Next up, third quarter. Oh, that's where, oh, we're here today. Okay. July to September. Increase household income by $700. Save for dental procedure and pay for procedure. That's so weird that that's here, because I just went today. We had a balance on our account at the dentist for like $37. I just went and paid it, so that's weird that that's on here. And they kind of told me my treatment plan and like how much we needed and all of that, and I have not gotten that procedure. But we do have enough money to cover it. We have saved for it. So we kind of like partially did that. We'll just put that. I just didn't pay for it yet because I didn't get it done. Pay off $2,000 of student loan debt between July and September. You know what? I need a calculator because we may have done that. Of course, I can't find my calculator. Okay, let me find a phone then, since I can't find my calculator. Hold on. Okay, so in July, we put 24174, oops, 24174 towards my loans. So times 3, that gives us 72522. And then, let's just write that somewhere. So that's 72522, and then we put 260.45 times 4 towards my husband's, because we made an additional payment. We're shy. We are shy. How shy are we? Let's put that down just so we can have that there. We're actually shy, so we did not complete that goal. So, an X beside that, and then save 500 for Go Wild. Check. So, okay. So, as you can see, we met 2.5 of the 4 goals that we set, or that I set. Like I said, this is essentially like the procedures for me, the increasing household income was for me, the Go Wild is for me, the student loan debt not so much for the both of us, but anyway, mostly for me. So let's set our October to December goals, our 4th quarter goals. Okay, so since we only completed half of this goal, I think we need to set it again, because like I said, I was just at the office today. They were actually trying to get me to come in Thursday to do it, and I was like, you know what, no thanks, I'll call y'all when I'm ready. Let's see if we can accomplish that this quarter. I feel like that should be a thing. Yeah, I think I want to, if not, I'll do it in January. So I'm going to say this now because I have a dental appointment like January the 2nd. So if I don't get the procedure between now and December, we're just going to kind of like assume, like kind of extend this out a couple of days for January, because I'll need to have, you know, saved and paid the money all up before then anyway, considering the procedure, or the appointment that I'm going to is January the 3rd or 2nd. So anyway, let's get that completed by January the 3rd, or by the time I go for that next appointment. Okay, so that's a goal. I should have put increased household income at the tops just to make it cohesive with the rest. I'm gonna go out on a limb here. So I'm not gonna go out on a limb. So from what I've already increased the income, because that's what we build off of. We don't build off of like the original income, like from my full-time job. We build off of the additional income that we're already bringing in, that I'm already bringing in. So I actually want to increase it by, I would say, probably, I'm gonna actually do, I really want to put 1,000, but we're gonna put 800 to be safe. The next thing is I probably need to have about 1,000 for Go Wild, which will be like half of the price of everything that I think that I will need to pay for. So we're gonna do save 1,000 by the end of the year, because I think tickets go on sale like January. So yeah, I'm gonna need to have a decent amount. And then we just have space for one more goal. So let's do, I think that we should shoot for paying off $2,000. No, because we're focusing on my husband's. So let's do pay off, I think we're going to increase, we have like a self-imposed, self-directed minimum payment, because we just set a minimum payment for ourselves that we want to pay. So I think I want to do, I think I want to take the minimum payment up to like 300. So October, November, December times 3 would be 900. So let's do 1,000 towards my husband's loans. And so the key is always to set, I was going to put husband there. We'll put 1,000, 1K of hubby. Okay, so the key is always to set realistic goals. And again, because I've already started this, I'm going to finish it because I just have to, because that's just how, I mean, at this point, we pretty much just finished it. So we'll just have to come back in December or January, early January, to see how we've done. But I really like to set realistic financial goals, and I think that these are all pretty realistic. And so, yeah, I think this is what we're going to go with. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I want to add on here. and I really can't think of anything. So anyway, these are our quarterly goals. So let me just zoom out so you guys can see all of it. And I'm still thinking, I'm gonna put this back here. Oh my gosh, you guys, I have been looking for this card for forever. I thought I lost it. Let me see if it has my name on it. Oh my gosh, I have been looking for that. That's a card that's attached to one of our online checking accounts, which we use as a savings account. I thought I lost it, but I was like, there's no way. I mean, like, I knew I misplaced it. I just didn't know where it was. I don't lose anything. I just misplace things for, like, temporarily. Oh my gosh, that is so crazy. Now we have all of our cards because I keep them all in a special place. This is not the special place. That is so weird that that's here. Super weird. I remember taking it on the cruise because we always try to take like an additional card when we go out of town, just in case of an emergency, because you guys know we don't really keep a lot of money in the main checking account. So we try to take one of the other cards that has some money in the account in case something actually takes place. And I don't know how, I remember taking it in May for the cruise, but I don't know, I just don't know how it got back there. So anyway, I hope that you guys are crushing your goals and saving and paying down debt and investing and doing all of that good stuff. So anyway, this is what we're going to be working with. We do have a few other goals, but I don't know that they're currently fit for YouTube, a few other financial goals, but you know, I'll share those eventually when the time, you know, is right, or the time gets here, or whatever the case is. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.